Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Structure is a beautiful word which is known to everybody. But in English language, students are mostly confused. They don't understand what to do with the words and how to compose those words into meaningful sentences and be eloquent in expressing themselves. I'm going to help you out in learning what are the English structures and how do they help the speaker to come up to that level where he can have good communication. My lessons will be divided into small little bits to the level of understanding of every individual. All those who come up with me on these lessons, inshallah, within few days, you will start speaking English and you will be able to learn, read, and write correct English. First of all, structures. As you know that language history is very long. The story, if we dig out, it was based on symbols. And those symbols came out to us in the shape of A, B, C to Z. All these letters, they were in fact initially the symbols. Then according to the need of human beings and according to the need of communication, they were put together and converted into sounds which were used for naming certain things. And this way the language developed and the human beings, they started communicating with each other. But I understand that your present understanding of A, B, C, D up to Z should be converted into words, because the combination of two or more than two letters, that becomes a full-fledged meaningful word. If it doesn't make a word, we can't call it a word. And the word which we mostly use, they are in fact the combination of these letters. There is only one example, that is A, and that's used for the purpose of one or single. Except with this exception, we understand rest of the letters when are put together, they are two and more than two letters forming words. These words which we speak daily for naming things, for actions, for conjunctions, for expressing ourselves, they are all in fact the meaningful words. Now I come to the structure of those words. Once these structures are put to the meanings, when they are put to the meanings, so we call them words. And words, once we name them, then they are known as the noun, the pronoun, the adjective, the verb, the adverb, the preposition, the conjunction, the interjection. These are the words in fact formed with the help of those letters. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we are going to learn about these words, how do they help us in making good sentences.